morning everyone. Myself Anubhuti Saxena. I'm your science teacher. Today I'm going to start revision of lesson 3. As we had completed all the first term syllabus, so we are going to start the revision of all chapters one by one. Today I am taking lesson 3, revision 1. Let's start. First, define digestion. The process of breaking down food into simple soluble form which the body can use is called digestion. The process of breaking down food into simple soluble form which the body can use is called digestion. Excretion. What is excretion? The process by which wastes are removed from the body is called excretion. The process by which wastes are removed from the body is called excretion. Second exercise, take the correct eating habit, or you can write yes or no. Which are correct, you can write yes, and which are not correct, you can write no. First, eat a balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet. It is a correct eating habit or not? Our answer is yes. We should eat a balanced diet. Second, never drink water. Never drink water. This is not correct, means no, because we should drink at least 8 to 10 glass water daily. Third, eat your meals at fixed times. Eat your meals at fixed times. This is yes. We should eat our meals at fixed time. It will improve our digestion process. So answer is yes. Fourth, chew your food properly. This is correct. Yes. We should chew our food properly. Fifth, play immediately after eating. Play immediately after eating. We should not play immediately after eating. This is no. 6. Include a lot of fiber in your diet. We should include a lot of fiber in our diet. This is correct. Yes. So first answer is yes. Second answer is no. Third answer is yes. Fourth answer is yes. Fifth answer is no. And sixth answer is yes. These are the answers. First answer yes. Second answer no. Third answer is yes. Fourth answer is yes. Fifth answer is no. and sixth answer is yes. Next question, match the following. Match the following. On left hand side, all the organs of excretory systems are written and what they are doing, what is their work is given on the other side. So we have to match them. First is kidneys, second ureters, third urinary bladder, fourth is urethra. On the other sides, A part carry urine to the bladder, B urine is passed out of it, C urine is formed here, and D urine is stored here. So we will match them. Kidneys, what is the work of kidneys? So we will write the answer, urine is formed here. Second, ureters. Ureters, these carry urine to the bladder. These carry urine to the bladder. A part. Third, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, urine is stored here. Urine is stored here. Fourth, urethra. Urine is passed out of it. So we will match first with C, second with A, third with D, and fourth with B. Next question is, how are water removed from our body? As you know, we are drinking a lot of water in a whole day. So how are water removed from our body? So wastage, because water helps in the removal of waste materials from the body. So sweat, in the form of sweating. Second is given from the anus, which part, and third is urine, and fourth is given from the lungs. So we will complete this flow chart. Sweat, wastes are released in the form of sweat from the skin. Feces from the anus. Feces from the anus. Urine from kidneys. Urine from kidneys. And carbon dioxide from the lungs. Wastage in the form of sweat from skin, in the form of feces from the anus, in the form of urine from kidneys, in the form of carbon dioxide from the lungs. Now we have to give reasons why the food that we eat has to be broken down into smaller pieces. So we will give the answer. The food that we eat cannot be used directly by our body to give us energy. So it has to be broken down into smaller pieces. The question was, the food that we eat has to be broken down into smaller pieces. Why? And the answer is, the food that we eat cannot be used directly by our body to give us energy. So it has to be broken down into smaller pieces. Second, bread tastes sweet when we eat it. Bread tastes sweet when we eat it because the starch in the bread gets converted into sugar by the action of saliva on it. Because the starch in the bread gets converted into sugar by the action of saliva on it. Next question. Saliva makes the food soft. Why? Saliva makes the food soft. Answer is because the saliva contains an enzyme which converts starchy foods into simple sugars. Because the saliva contains an enzyme which converts starchy foods into simple sugars. D. We should eat meals at fixed times. Why? We should eat meals at fixed times. And our answer is if we do not eat our meals at proper time, our stomach may get upset. If we do not eat our meals at proper time, our stomach may get upset. E part. Chew the food properly. Chew the food properly. We should chew our food properly because this will make the process of digestion easier. We should chew our food properly because this will make the process of digestion easier. Now, label the digestive system. Here, the diagram of digestive system is given and you have to label the parts. So, let's start. Here, the first part is mouth. Second, on the left side, second part is liver. Third is showing gallbladder. And fourth is showing large intestine. Mouth, liver, gallbladder, large intestine. On the right side, first part is esophagus, second stomach, third pancreas, fourth small intestine, fifth rectum. Esophagus, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, rectum. Next, label the excretory system. Label the excretory system. So here the parts of excretory systems we have to fill in the boxes. So let's start. First, bean shaped parts. This is called kidney. Second, to thin tube like structure which is taking urine to the bag like structure. So these thin pipes are called ureter. Next is urinary bladder. Urine is stored here, and the last urine is passed out of it, that is urethra. So kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Next question is complete the flow chart. The digestive system, and 2 boxes are given in which mouth and esophagus are written. It means these are the parts of digestive system. So we have to write the other parts of the other organs of the digestive system. So we will fill the answer. Digestive system organs are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Now the revision sheet is completed. Thank you everyone. All of you have to learn lesson 3, all the exercises and question answers for the revision task 2 of lesson 3 in homework. So thank you everyone and have a nice day.